Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize setup n8n for no-code app backends, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To begin the setup process for n8n, visit the official n8n website. Download and install the application following the instructions provided. Ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements for running n8n. Launch the n8n application after the installation is complete. Open your web browser and navigate to the n8n editor interface. You will be prompted to create an admin user during the initial setup. Input your preferred username and password to secure your n8n environment. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Begin by selecting the workflow option to create a new workflow. In the workflow editor, click on the Add Node button to integrate your first service. Search for the application you wish to connect, such as Slack, Google Sheets, or others. Select the application and choose the appropriate operation you want to perform. You will be required to authorize n8n to access your application. Follow the prompts to log into your chosen application and grant the necessary permissions. After authorization, you will receive a verification token or code. Enter this token into n8n to establish the connection. Once connected, you can configure the settings for the node according to your requirements. Continue adding more nodes for different applications as needed. Connect these nodes by drawing lines that indicate the workflow sequence. Save your workflow periodically to avoid losing any progress. Once your workflow is complete, run it to ensure everything operates smoothly. Check the execution logs for any errors or issues with the workflow. If everything functions correctly, your no-code app backend is now fully set up with n8n. You can continue to expand your automation by adding more nodes and workflows in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.